In this video, we will talk about how we can submit our assignments. So I'll put my screen on screen share and quickly show you how you can submit your assignment, which can go to your trainer for review. So as you can see on my screen, this is the mail which you would have received, the hall ticket email, on which there is one of these questions which says how to submit assignments, and you would see this link. All you have to do is just click on this link. You will see a short form over here. Put your email ID, put the same email ID through which you have registered with us. Here you can select the trainer whom you're currently associated with. Here you can select the badge. So for example, if I, for example, put any single trainer's badge, like for example, maybe, I don't know, maybe Supriyo. So whatever badge Supriyo is taking, if in case you're from this batch, put this, click on this batch. If you're from this batch, click on this batch. Like assume this batch. Day one, which day is the homework is it? Is it of day one, day two, day three? It's the class of which you have submitted. Like for example, day 6. You can upload the file over here, and here you can put the description of your submission. Like for example, whatever text you would want to submit, you would want to put the sub description. If in case you don't want to upload any file, just put some text content here. You can put some text content here. Or if in case you want to submit a link, you can submit the link over here and just click on the submit button. And that's how you can submit your assignment and it will go to the trainer. Thank you so much.